Can you call National Land Commission? I know that we wish our neighbors Tanzania all the best. Our neighbors Tanzania all the best as they go for general elections, Mr. Speaker. Although, you know, the other day, the former head of state, I cannot mention the name, was chiding Kenyans. But I'm seeing protests are already underway there, but we hope it will be peaceful elections, Mr. Speaker. I'm told the contest there, Mr. Speaker, is between Samia versus Suluhu.
Senator Cherargei, you know, I've listened to you for 10 minutes, and in your subjections, you did not even mention the land in Embu.
I've mentioned, Mr. Speaker.
You went all through to Nandi for 10 minutes, now you have crossed borders to Tanzania. I will not allow you to do that.
Mr. Speaker, I mentioned.
Senator Mungatana?
Mr. Speaker, I have not concluded. Mr. Speaker, I thought I have not concluded.
You have concluded after cruising the borders. So
no, I want to say either I support the motion or reject.
Then you sit down.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, I think this report is well done. This motion, Mr. Speaker, with those many remarks, I beg to support because it's Suluhu versus Samia. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Mungatana.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the opportunity.